Hello everyone, and today we're going to review smartband iWowen Fit i6 Pro. I almost sure that I have pronounced one of those times correctly. Well, here and further, let's just call the device simply i6 Pro. So i6 Pro has simple but remarkably elegant design with absolutely no buttons. Smart module, this little plastic thing with display on it, attached to the black rubber straps. Unfortunately, the straps cannot be detached, so in the situation if it snaps, you will not be able to replace it by yourself. Fortunately, the straps are fairly strong and you will have to make a significant effort to break it. On the back of the module, located optical heart rate sensor and charging port. On the sides, there are aluminum frames. And in the front, there is a 0.7-inch touch screen. This screen is allowing you to access all the data that you can see on the band by sweeping, tapping and long pressing. Since, as I mentioned earlier, there is no physical or sensor button on the device. i6 Pro has IP67 protection rate, which means that it's dust and waterproof, and can be used under heavy rain, in a shower, sitting on the toilet and even in a pool. However, I would not recommend put the device deeper than 1 meter under the water for a long time. By the way, touchscreen very responsive even when you're using it with the wet hands, which is a very big plus. To make the smart band actually work and collect the data, you will have to download special application that you may easily find in the Play Market. After quick registration, this APK will allow you to receive incoming call alert and message notification from your phone. You can set it up only to receive particular messages, for example only SMS or only messages from Facebook and Skype, or you can even turn off notification at all. Moreover, you can add new application if it's not on the list. Besides that, i6 Pro constantly monitoring and sending to your device data about how many steps you've made or how long and how good have you slept. And based on that info and the info that you fill in during the account registration, the device will calculate the calories and weight you have lost, the quality of sleep and optimal time for you to wake up and go to bed. What's more, the device also will monitor your heart rate through the day, and it's quite accurate. But a little piece of advice for a man with hairy hands: put the device on the opposite side of the wrist. Don't ask. Just trust me. Using the band without buttons by only tapping or sweeping may seem tricky, but only at first. You will quickly get used to the control panel. Another feature is sport adjustment. So this function allows you to choose from 24 modes, each mode representing different type of sport, such as push-up, skip and rope, basketball and so on. So the band will allow you to monitor a particular action that is relative to the certain sport. And the last feature that actually gives a big advantage to this device of a Xiaomi, function that allows you to read messages right on the smart band screen. Device having 55 mAh battery and can easily work for about 60 to 7 days without a recharge.